A dental implant is an optimal way to replace a missing tooth. Although it's a surgical alternative, it's a conservative treatment option.
So a dental implant is usually the best option for a patient because it limits the treatment to that one area in question. You don't have to adjust or mutilate the adjacent teeth.
Here at Advanced Implant Dentistry, we try to ensure success to the best possible efforts, and we do that by carefully understanding what the patient's needs are.
Patients will know and understand exactly what needs to be done, whether we can save the teeth, whether the teeth need to be extracted. All that will be detailed in a very clear and simple treatment plan.
Our technologies help us provide a more accurate diagnosis, which in turn helps us provide a more predictable outcome for our patients.
Once the implant is healed, we're able to place a tooth that allows a patient really to function on their day-to-day life without even thinking about their teeth. That's our goal.
In our office, we invite you to come down and get an evaluation so we can provide solutions and answer any questions that you may have.